Hey guys, quick little project I want to do here. I have these cone filters to finish the syrup, and I want to make a holder for it. So what I used to do, or what I did for the past couple days, is I just use these two pieces of wood, put it through the loop, and just kind of laid this between two chairs or something. That was working, but it was a hassle to bring the chairs over. So what I'm gonna do, I had this tomato cage laying around. I think I'm gonna modify it so this can rest on a pot or 5-gallon bucket or something. And I'll cut a piece off, make some hooks so I can actually put this in here. So it's hanging off this here. So let's set you up on the tripod and let's see what we can do here. And I might try to just grind off the paint because I don't want any paint to flake off. Okay, so what I did, cut out 2 inches off the bottom. Do that for each of them. Should work. Should be able to, just kind of fold these like this. Should be able to sit like something like this on a bucket or a pot or something. I think that's gonna work. Let's make some hooks out of these. So that's gonna hang off. So this part here, I'll put over the actual tomato cage itself. Then we'll close it in so they don't. Might make it bigger. And that should work. So we'll do that for all 3. All right, so what we'll do, so we'll take the small hook that we made, put it on top here, and we'll just close the loop so it doesn't fall. There we go. So that's not gonna go anywhere. that's all. Right, let's see. I only made 3 rings. There's 4 loops on this thing, but I think that should be enough. So let's see. Yeah, I might make a 4th one. Yeah, I'm gonna make a 4th one real quick. So I got a 4th one here. Go. Should work. Next, I'll just take a wire wheel on my my drill and try to flake off as much of the paint as I can. All right, so I got all the paint off of it. Of course, if you have one that's not painted, you don't need to do anything, but this was just a leftover I had that was painted green, so I prefer to get rid of that paint so nothing falls into the syrup. And I'll show you guys how it works, if it works well, or if it's a little bit flimsy, but I think it should be fine. There's not much weight being held in the filter, so I'll show you guys how it works. Well, the holder seems to work really well. And as you can see what I did with the extra length here for the legs, and I just kind of, I pushed the holder down slightly in the pot, and I kind of bent some of the legs over like this. I passed this one through here and kind of twist it just so it holds it into place, but it's, I mean, it's solid. There's this much syrup in there and no issues. So I think this is a success for something that cost me literally nothing because I found it outside. I'd say I'll keep it.